In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a signature field in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the document that contains the signature field you want to adjust. Depending on where you are in the workflow, you may need to select Review Document, or you may already be inside the document editor. Either way, the goal is to get to the screen where you can see and edit the fields placed on the document. Next, find the signature field that needs to be moved. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct field, especially if the document contains multiple signatures, initials, or other fillable areas. Once you've located it, click on the signature field to select it. After selecting the field, click and hold on it. While holding, drag the signature field to its new location on the page. Move it carefully so it sits exactly where you want the signer to place their signature. This is especially important if the field needs to line up with a signature line, a printed name area, or a date section nearby. When the field is in the correct position, release it to drop it into place. After that, take a close look at the surrounding part of the document to make sure the field is aligned properly. You want it to look clean, professional, and easy for the recipient to understand. If it appears too high, too low, or too close to other text or fields, you can make small adjustments until it looks right. If needed, resize the field so it fits the space better. A field that is too large can overlap nearby content, while one that is too small may look awkward or be harder to interact with. Adjusting the size can help improve both appearance and usability. Before you finish, verify that the signature field is assigned to the correct recipient. This is a very important step, because even if the field is placed perfectly, it still needs to belong to the right signer in the workflow. Double-check the assignment so the correct person is prompted to sign in that location. Once everything looks good, save your changes, or continue to the next step in your document setup process. Taking an extra few seconds to review placement and assignment can help prevent mistakes later and ensure a smoother signing experience for everyone involved. Thanks for watching.